This message is requested by all government agencies of the United States and the Centers for Disease Control. A national emergency is in effect. This is not a test. The virus, or the red wildfire virus 2027 or RWV27 virus that has been named by scientists, has been pressuring all the law enforcement and armed forces across the nation. As suspected Nightwatcher and Lurker attacks are feared, civilian armament has been authorized. To all citizens, when you witness, experience, or killed off an attack, contact law enforcement immediately. If the attack manages to make an outbreak, the National Guard is sent and martial law and shelter-in-place orders are immediate. As of this broadcast, 40 million people in the states of Washington, Tennessee, now Kentucky and in our capital is infected. The British forces that have been sent here, along with the HECU and the Enclave, is assisting the United States efforts to contain the infected. Operation Package A is ordered by the President to take back the capital from infected hands and try to link up with UN peacekeepers in Maryland and New Jersey. The US-Canadian border is now closed off to any travel and border troops have been put on shoot-on-sight protocol. The major cities of Canada has fallen to the infection in weeks and threatens the northeast part of the country. The cure rollout is ongoing right now and has been reassured that it'll prevent any infection once you inhaled the virus or touched infected areas. Be informed that the virus is now global. Europe, Eurasia, and now Asia is now affected by the virus. The UN has deployed peacekeepers globally to the affected countries. Expect crime rates to skyrocket, but due to this common threat that the country is facing, it'll be less likely. Due to the outbreak of El Paso in New Mexico that has been cleaned up, Mexico has also closed its borders from our country. It'll be passable via only on evacuation purposes. We'll give you additional information when the situation escalates. Have a radio or TV ready for it. Stay tuned for further updates.